Got a news alert coming in at this broadcast. 5 men who went missing from villages near the border with China earlier this month have been handed over to India by Chinese People's Liberation Army, or the PLA. The 5 men who had been missing since the 1st of September were hunters, the army had said in a statement. Their families and locals, however, said that they were porters. Earlier this week, the Chinese army had confirmed their presence in the country. So the 5 Indians from the state of Arunachal Pradesh who had gone missing have been handed over to India by the Chinese PLA. Joining us on this big breaking news is WION's principal diplomatic correspondent Siddhant Sibal with all the details. Siddhant, over to you.
Positive development. It has now been confirmed by the army that these 5 Indians who had gone missing from Arunachal Pradesh have been handed over by the Chinese authorities. They seem to have crossed over, and this is nothing new. In fact, what the army sources told us that in the past also cases have emerged of Indian hunters going missing, crossing over because of the lack of demarcation there. But by and large, this is coming amidst the heightened tension between the two countries, India and China. And this, in fact, is a positive development. We have seen in the past, just few days ago, how the Indian authorities also sent back 3 Chinese who had crossed over in North Sikkim.
Absolutely,
and also
yes.
saw images of yachts coming on the Indian side and then, of course, being sent back to the Chinese side.
Siddhant, it's great news that these 5 Indians have been returned. They were from the state of Arunachal Pradesh. They have been returned by the PLA. Very quickly, tell us what's the situation as far as the LAC is concerned today.
Well, Shobit, at LAC, if you look at the situation, it of course is tense. But one thing is positive: for last 48 hours, nothing untoward has been seen from the Chinese side. The Chinese side being very aggressive. We saw on Monday and Tuesday the Chinese side trying to be aggressive, indulging in provocative action. In fact, all throughout the Tuesday, we saw provocative action by the Chinese. Then, of course, we saw the brigadier commander level conversations happening. This is an interaction happening almost on a daily basis. Now the big focus is on the commander, on the core commander level conversation. If it happens, it will be the 6th conversation. Both sides have in principle agreed on it, but the timing of this meeting is to be decided.
Siddhant Sibal, thank you so much for getting us all the details on this big breaking news. It's a great relief for all the families of the 5 Indians from the state of Arunachal Pradesh who had gone missing. They have been returned by the Chinese PLA. That's it on this broadcast. This is me, Shobit Mittal, signing off for now, but news and updates will continue on the other side of a short break.